Hello, my name is Aqua, and this is the user instruction video for You Are Not Alone project. So we'll take you through the whole website and how it's going to be used. So this is the home page. The YANA is the home page, and we have 6 tabs. My victim is the first one that gives us the information about sexual harassment and sexual assault. Then the statistics informs the victim about the percentages of perpetrators that are penalized, and also relates with their thoughts as to why they don't want to come out. The collaboration speaks about the university's effort to fight sexual assault and sexual harassment. So when we click on the icon, we view the current and the future actions. So this is the risk ranking of the universities. Then go to Never Too Late, which gives us the support services, Monash support services, and the police, NGO, social health support, and legal support near the various Monash campuses. We could view the information in text or on the map. And on the map, the pin shows the various centers, and when you click on one of them, it displays the address, and then whichever mode that you might want to travel with. So if it's bicycle or public transport or walking. So they locate me, will route found the route for you from your current location. And then if you want to use route me, you click on any path and then click route me. So start from where you clicked. So that is it for the navigation. Then we go to the first step, which gives us the police proceedings, and then the last one, which elaborates more on the court proceedings. So you can go back to the home by clicking YANA. Thank you for your time.
Okay.